empowering video on how to remove the background of your image. That simply means how you can turn your image to a PNG format. Because most of the videos or images you get online that you want to use as a resources for your design are often not on PNG format. Then you need to convert it to PNG format by removing the background. Now let's get started. Before now, I've used different applications. I've used different background removal application. The latest, which is what most people use, is Remove.bg. Now, with this particular application I'm using right now, is one of the best in town. And why most people needed to be using background remover, because most people now are doing smartphone graphics, unlike maybe we are using a Photoshop or whatever. You can use those softwares to remove the background of the image. Among the list, one new is that I've brought to this application. In short, you can remove background image of multiple pictures at the same time. You can remove 4, 5, 10 at the same time. So, and the advantage is because I'm using a pro version of the app. So if you need the pro version, you can just drop your comment. You can just drop your comments in the comment section of this video and you will get it. Better still, you can join our WhatsApp group for frequent and often updates. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we drop a video, you can know and together. So let's get started. So let me click on it. Get started. Gallery. Let me just look for. Okay. Take for instance, this is a picture of mine. Now I've removed the picture. You can see I can put it in white background. Can you see? I can put it in black. This is transparent. This is exactly what you need. And with this, all you just need to do is to click on this place. Save to gallery. And you have it saved. Back. Now you can use any format. You can see this is our pro version because I have access to the pro format. You can see this is YouTube cover, YouTube channel, book cover, very plenty. Lindy banner, very plenty. It's one of the best, one of the best that I've ever seen. It's one of the best. One of the best. You can change the background as well. One of the best I've ever seen thus far. One of the best. Now, what's actually the name of this application? Let me show you the name of the application. It's called Photo Editor. So if you just search for photo on Google Play Store, if you search for photo, it's going to bring it live. Background remover, can you see? It has a lot of good features. So please, I believe you want to try out this application. Get it, still one of the best. So thank you very much for watching this video. The next video we're going to be doing is how to remove watermark from any image. You can download a shorter image from all these websites where you get different images. Then it has watermark. Yes, you still want to use the image for your design because it's a resources you like. Worry no more. There are tricks that you can use to remove water. These are little things that these people that do online training use to get money from graphic design. But we at Elpis initiative, we are committed at helping you to get better in shaping